Hey everyone, welcome to Sheebas Cookery World. Today's recipe is a special cake that has been trending on YouTube for quite some time now. Tres Leches. It is basically a sponge cake soaked in 3 kinds of milk. This cake is super moist and very tasty. It would just melt in your mouth. Tres Leches means 3 milk. And today I will be showing you the eggless version of it. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. To begin with, add some curd into a bowl. Followed by some refined oil. Whisk it well till the mixture becomes smooth. Add in some powdered sugar and whisk until it's well combined. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Take some all-purpose flour. To this, add some baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Sift this well. Use a spatula to mix this together. Add in some milk gradually to this. Continue mixing it until there are no lumps and you get a smooth batter. Add in some vanilla extract for the flavor and mix it once again. We will now transfer this batter into a cake tin lined with parchment paper. Tap it a couple of times to get rid of the air bubbles. Now this is ready to go into the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and bake the cake for around 30 minutes. So while the cake is getting baked, we'll make some whipped cream. I've taken some chilled whipping cream in a bowl. I'm using an electric beater to whip this cream. Add in some sugar to this and continue whipping it until you get stiff peaks. This will be used to finally decorate the tres leches. Now the cake is baked and I'm gonna cool it on a wire rack. Once the cake has completely cooled down, we will unmold it. Place the cake inside a bowl like this. In order to soak the cake, we will now combine the 3 types of milk. In this recipe, I am using full-fat milk, some fresh cream, and then condensed milk. Give this a real good mix. Now with the help of a bamboo skewer, I'm gonna poke small holes into the cake. Now gradually start pouring the milk mixture on top of the cake. You can pour this in 2 to 3 batches and reserve some of it for later use. Now we will refrigerate this cake for at least 1 hour so that it absorbs all of the milk. After 1 hour, take it out from the refrigerator and decorate it with the whipped cream. You can just do away with any design that you like, or maybe just spread a thick layer on top. And then garnish it with some chopped pistachios. and some dried rose petals. You can easily make these dried rose petals at home and use it to garnish any dessert. Now the tres leches is ready to be served. You can just cut out a slice and serve it along with the milk mixture that you had reserved earlier. I cannot explain how good this cake tastes. It is so yum and it just melts in your mouth. So guys, it's definitely worth giving it a try. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.